Hey, how's it going, guys? Geek Shrikant here. It's so good to see your smiling faces here, and thank you so much for your attention. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add new feature from, or let's say, a way to ask question in the Instagram. So all you got to do is go to your stories and select a photo. In this case, I'll be taking this one, and then you go to the stickers option, and then you see a tag, an image saying questions. So it is similar to emoji slider and poll, but in this case people will be able to write their whole answer for the question that you ask and not just give you their answer through sliding the emoticon slider or by choosing the options that you give in the poll. So you click on questions, it comes up here. You ask a question, are you, and that's it, and people will answer the question, your question, through type something area, and then you will get the response. And that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did like this, give this video a thumbs up, and as always, hashtag thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Be happy and stay positive.